Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Fun Learning with Smita. In today's tutorial lecture, I would be teaching you all how to make an interesting sort of quiz game. Before starting, let me show you the theme in which I've already created a game. Have a look at it so that you get an idea that by the end of this video, what sort of game are you going to learn. So let's get started. So how did you find this game? In today's tutorial lecture, I would be teaching you how to make such appealing game for all your students. So all the educators out there, stay tuned till the end of the video. So in order to make such games, you will have to open your Google tab and type word wall in the search tab. You will need a proper email ID to create an account in this particular application. As I've already done that, this is how my dashboard looks like. On the right hand side corner, you will have to click on the option create activity, and this you can see there are so many different types of activities which you can make in this particular application. I have already uploaded several videos about the different types of game which WordWall allows you to make. So if you have not yet checked those videos, please do check it out. Right now, the type of game which I just showed you is called as Open the Box. So I'll double click on it, and this is how it looks like. So we'll like to start from the scratch, right? So we will write the activity title first. The title for the game would be Let's Have Some Fun. That would be the title for my game. Now there are two types which they are asking you, whether you want simple boxes or you want some boxes with questions. So I'll select boxes with questions, and the question I would type over here, and the correct answer or the options would be written over here. In simple boxes, you will only have simple boxes with something written on it, where minimum of 2 flashcards and a maximum of 100 flashcards needs to be made. So boxes with questions, I'll select that, and let me type a random question, like I would just write name the first PM, that is Prime Minister of India. And I would also like to attach an image, so I'll click on add image option. I'll write over here Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and let me see whether I get any large size photos. Yes, there are several photos, so I'll select this third one. So there would be a question, there would be an image, and let me give the input. So I would like to give two options to my students. First one would be Rajendra Prasad, which would be the wrong answer, and next would be Jawaharlal Nehru, which would be the correct answer. So I'll check in this box. This would be the correct answer and this would be the wrong answer. Let's go on to the next question. So I'll click on the add an item option and I'll type the next question, that is name the leader in the photo. So I'll be showing one photo to the students and I would like them to identify who is she. So suppose I am going to insert image of Sonia Gandhi. And here are my options. This is the correct answer. and one wrong answer. That's it. One more question, add an item. Same procedure you will have to follow. The next question is, who is the famous athlete you see in this image? So I'll insert an image of any famous athlete. Again, I want a large sized photo. So let me see whether we have images of PT Usha. Yes. So I'll take this image. Third one. I'll type the options over here. PT Usha is the correct answer. And the wrong answer, I'll type Sania Mirza. One last question I would like to add, which would be, who wrote the famous book Wings of Fire? And I would add an image of Abdul Kalam ji of large size. Yes, several photos. I would select this one. And the options I would write over here. Mahatma Gandhi. And the correct answer, A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. That's the correct answer. So I have made a simple game of 4 questions with a proper activity title. I don't want to give any instructions because I think this game is quite easy. So there would be 4 questions. I'm done with the game. I'll click on the option done, which saves my activity. So this is how my game would look like. There are 4 themes available: TV game show, wooden desk, primary, and playing cards. So right now I'll just show TV game show itself. There are some setting options which are given down. Whether you want your students to know the correct answers at the end, how much time you would like to give, 30 seconds, 1 minute, whatever, you can increase or decrease the timing over here. And there are various other options which you can do. So let's go back. So I've selected the theme. Now let's have a look at how the game turned out to be. So you can see that I purposely selected one wrong answer for one question to see how they respond. So they responded with a wrong sign, and now at the end they are showing all the correct answers, as well as they have pinpointed that this is the question that I got wrong. So how did you all find this game? Isn't it very simple to make? Only in 3 to 4 steps. So if you liked it and if you have any doubt, you may comment in the comment box. And also I would like to thank all my dear viewers as well as subscribers, that you all have really motivated me to keep going with your likes, comments, your views, and I'm really glad and grateful that you all are supporting me so much. Do keep supporting me. Thank you.